Hello viewers, and welcome once again to my YouTube channel. We are going to consider this amazing equation log to base 4x of x plus log to base x divided by 2 of x is equal to 2. Do away with anything destructive and pay attention, because we are going to gain every bit of step we are going to experience in the course of solving this particular equation. But if you are a first time watcher and you know that you haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel, kindly do us a favor by uh subscribing to our YouTube channel and by also turning on your notification bell, so that anytime we upload video you will be notified. So let's get started and see how we can provide a solution to x in this particular equation. So solution, this equation clearly involve logarithms. So in that case, as we are going to be making use of certain rules. Right from the beginning, we need to recall that rule that says whenever I have log to base a of b is the same thing as 1 divided by log to base b of a. Yes, so if that is the case, I'm going to make use of this rule in first term and second term. That means I'm going to have 1 divided by log to base x of 4x plus 1 divided by log to base x of x divided by 2. Everything is equal to 2. So that is that. Then this 4 this log 4x can be simplified using product rule. This log x divided by 2 can be simplified using quotient rule. The product rule says whenever I have log a b is the same thing as log a plus log b. That is product rule. Then in the case of quotient rule, says whenever I have log a divided by b is the same thing as log a minus log b. Very easy and straightforward. If that is the case, I'm going to make use of this product rule in the first term and this quotient rule as in the case of the second term. So if that is the case, I'm going to have 1 divided by log to base x of 4 plus log to base x of x plus 1 divided by log to base x of x minus log to base x of 2 is equals to 2. Very easy and straightforward. So we need to still recall that law that says whenever I have log to base a of a is equals to 1. Then if that is the case, here I have same scenario, x log to base x of x, log to base x of x. That means this and this are automatically 1 1 each. So that means I'm going to have 1 divided by log to base x of 4 plus 1 divided by 1 minus, in this case, minus log to base x of 2 is equals to 2. That is that. Okay, this 4 can be written as 2 squared. So if that is the case, this 4 can be written as 2 squared, and if it is 2 squared, in order to minimize space and save time, if it is 2 squared, that means I'm going to have 1 divided by log to base x of 2 squared plus 1 plus 1 divided by 1 minus log to base x of 2 is equals to 2. So this is squared. This is squared. So going further, we need to still recall a rule that says whenever I have log a to the power of b is the same thing as b multiplying log a. So I'm going to make use of this rule here. That means I'm going to have 1 divided by 2 log to base x of 2 plus 1 plus 1 divided by, this is plus 1 minus log to base x of 2 is equals to 2. That is very good. Then when I look at it, I have log to base x of 2 appearing in two different places. So this log to base x of 2 must be representing something. So let me introduce another unknown to replace this log to base x of 2. So now let p be equals log to base x of 2, so that anywhere I see log to base x of 2, I will put p. So that is that. So here I'm going to have 1 divided by 2p plus 1 plus 1 divided by 1 minus p is equals to 2. We can see how simpler we are getting. So here the LCM is this term 2p plus 1 and 1 minus p. So that is for the left hand side. So I'm going to pick the 2p plus 1 into 1 minus p. Then everything is equals to 2. Then this can go into this. I have 1 minus p. Then plus this can go into this. Then I have 2p plus 1. So 1 plus 1 is 2. Then minus p plus 2p is the same thing as 2p minus p is plus p divided by 2p plus 1 into 1 minus p is equals to 2. That is that. So at this point, we need to cross multiply because we know that this is divided by 1. So we need to cross multiply. So in cross multiplying, I'm going to have 2 into 2p plus 1 into 1 minus p is equals to 2 plus p. So here I'm going to have 2 into 2p times 1 is 2p minus 2p square. Then I have plus 1 minus p is equals to 2 plus p. So I need to rearrange those terms within the bracket. So I'm going to have 2 into 2p minus p is going to be p. So I'm going to have p minus 2p squared plus 1 is equals to 2 plus p. So this 2 is going to multiply every other thing within the bracket. That means we are going to have 2p minus 4p squared plus 2 is equals to 2 plus p. And of course, this 2 will take care of this 2. So allow me to clean the other side. So I'm going to have 2p minus 4p p squared is equals to p. So that is that. So this p will have to cross the other side. So I will have 2p minus 4p squared is equals to 0. 2p minus p remain p minus 4p squared is equals to 0. So I can see that p is appearing 2 times, so I need to factor p out. Then I will have 1 minus 4p to be equals to 0. So if that is the case, we know that when two numbers are multiplying each other to be equals to 0, that means one of them must be equals to 0. So it's either p is equals to 0 or 1 minus 4p is equals to 0. That means here minus 4p is equals to minus 1. That means p here is equals to 1 divided by 4. So these are the values of p. But remember, our unknown or original unknown, what we are asked to find is the value of x and not p. So at a particular point, I let p to be equals log to base x of 2. So if that is the case, then if p is equals to 0, that means log to base x of 2 is equals to 0. So we can, let me clean here. We can see that using, we can change this log to exponent. So that means we are going to have x to the power of 0 is equals to 2, and we reject this solution because x can never be to the power of 0. So let's try the other value of p. That means if p is equals to 1 divided by 4, that means log to base x of 2 is equals to 1 divided by 4. So that means x to the power of 1 divided by 4 is equals to 2. So if that is the case, I'm looking for x. That means I need to take I need to multiply the power of both sides by 4. So I'm going to have x to the power of 1 divided by 4 multiplying 4 is equals to 2 to the power of 4. So this 4 can take care of this 4. So I'm going to have x is equals to 2 to the power of 4. And of course, x is equals to 16. And 16 is the value of x that will satisfy this particular equation. If you find my video useful to you or interesting or helpful in any way, don't hesitate to subscribe, as that is the only way we can hit the ground running. Bye.